Hello, hello, and good morning. Good early morning to you. A lot more energy today. Sorry about the other one. I didn't. I listened as I was listening to it. I realized, oh, my pain was coming through. But and we had some great gifts yesterday, and we're off to a great start with all of our boxes. If you're into stitching of any kind, Stitchcraft, straight up sewing, whatever you want to call it, or quilting, we've got fabulous, fabulous gifts started with all of our boxes, and let's keep it going. So, Merry Christmas, and today we will start with. Let's go ahead and keep going with the fat quarter box because that's going to end soon. We've just got a couple of days. There's 5 items in the box, and it is a project-based box. In fact, this one has a couple of projects in it. I bought it at the early discount price, so that was the 60, and we had our first one there for 37. And our panel yesterday, when I went to look it up, because it was well over a yard, it was a huge panel, and so I gave it a value of like $24. So that already puts us $1. What we've received $1 more than what I had paid for it. So that is good. So when you see those boxes, if that's the kind of thing you're interested in, get it early at the discount price. You can reserve it, and only it's $5 for just to reserve it at that lower price, because afterwards the price goes up, and then you got to pay a little more. But from the looks of it, we're doing good. And in today's, I can share the pattern that we're going to use or at least I am going to, the fat quarters, and it is the Mistletoe Moments quilting or quilt pattern, and it is beautiful. And you need 12 pieces, 12 fat quarters to complete this. Well, you know what, or if you've got lots of yardage that you want to use up in scraps, I'm sure that would work as well. But you will also need yardage for background, sashing, and an inner border there. There is an inner border, well, same as the background, right along the edge there. And then you will need the outer border, which is shown here in red. And then, of course, they have the binding there. If I can get it in there, it's green. It's actually green. If I can tilt this, just so you can see that green binding. So that's great. Beautiful pattern, and it's well illustrated. I've already looked at it. So let's put that aside now. And yeah, Fat Quarter Shop, you're rocking it. Let's go ahead and look at, here's this one. Let's go to Missouri Star. I made a mistake in quoting you the price on what I did. It's it's $199.98 or 95. What I did paid for the box. I rounded it to $200, so let's just leave it there too. And I did buy it early, a year ahead of time. So, and there is a slight discount when you do that. So I would encourage that if you like what you see in the box. So far, so good, Missouri Star. Thank you. Exciting stuff. Love the snow globe. I haven't been able to cut it out or anything, but I'm going to try this weekend to get one of the snow globes put together. But I need help with the cutting, so I'm going to have to wait till this weekend to get it done, but I'm excited. And then we had the rotary cutter yesterday, that little 28 millimeter. Though there are so many times on some templates that you want to use that have some curves or tight little curve or an ending and thing, and that smaller one works so much better. Who knew you'd really fall in love with one but I did. I love that little one. I'm keeping it. You need more than one, right? Because you got to have them handy. And I gave, of course, day one's value was $25. That brought the price of the box down to $175. Rotary cutter was $19. I gave that a value $19 because you can go right on their website and buy one for $19. And so that brings an outstanding right now a balance of 156. So we've got 23 more days for that to happen. And the way things are going, I don't think that's going to be any problem. So, but Missouri Star today's. Oh man, you don't even, I can guess what this is. What if I told you this was about 5 by 5? All right, yeah, I think we've got a jar back. This is so cool. Oh. I'd have music going, but I don't want the YouTube to please to shut me off. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, I gotta open it. I'm sorry. I gotta. Okay, this may go more than 10 minutes. Oh, gotta show you. It's called Mix and Match. And it's got these beautiful patterns. It's floral and checks. And oh, the colors. Oh, yeah, the back of this, some of them look really nice too, just as much as the front. They're so colorful. Oh, I'm having fun looking at this. Ah. But you know what this means? There might be a project next, or a pattern. Let's hope. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I love it. So that brings us to Soft Squares Box B, which was their $3.25 box. I estimated their pattern folders and everything for around 50. There are 4 fat quarters. I gave a value of 13 because that's what basic yardage, the cheapest yardage you can get is $12.99. So I'm not taking that penny down. I'm rounding it up that penny. So 13, anytime I come to that, like 98, 95, 99, I'm just giving it that next full value. It's just easier for the math. Because I feel lazy about it. That's why. I'm just saying, telling you the honest truth here. So that we had after yesterday, it was down to 275 outstanding in our investment, and now it is down to 262. No, it was, yeah, for minus 13, 262. So that's, again, off to a rocking start. That is like excellent. And we just love what they've given us. I loved those fat quarters. They were just beautiful, remind me of spring. Now let's see if I can't get into this one. And I may or may not be able to. Sorry, yeah, just needed a start. These pretty bags to put them in. It's boxed. It's a box thing. It says day 3. This little gadget is so cute. It has many functions and is super portable. I like that already. Cute and portable. Lots of functions. Do you like it as much as I do? Let's see. This is, oh, cool. Oh, cool. This is it. This is good. You guys are going good. Soft Squares pulled it off again. Day 3. All these companies are really on top of it. This is a little portable mini 28 millimeter rotary cutter with tape measure. And it's got a little handle on it. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Look at that. And you can pull it out, and it's got the little button on the back that goes zip, and it's gone. And on this end is the rotary cutter, and it's a little baby rotary cutter. and it slips. Oh, it can lock it or just pull it all the way back and then lock it. So it can't just come out. There's a little lock right there. That's the little lock. I push it there. It's ready to go all the way out, which let me move my fingers. There, it's up. I could lock it in that position, I guess, if I wanted to. And then, come on, you're my right hand. There we go. And then I will just put it back and lock it. See, right there. Isn't that cool? Oh, this is great for traveling. Nice. Going to retreats. Just having handy in the drawer or underneath the sewing machine. This is wonderful. All kinds of places you carry it around your neck. I don't know if I would do that with this, being that's the blade there, but yeah. You could put it on a keychain, or not a keychain, but a zipper pull for something else, so it's always handy. And, okay, just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to cut myself with extra blade in there or anything. It comes with instructions. So you can replace your blade. It tells you how you do it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you to Soft Squares. Thank you to Missouri Star. And thank you to Fat Quarters. Day 3, rocked it solid out of the park. 2 thumbs up. It's going to be a Merry Christmas so far. Enjoy, everyone. Have a great day. Find your joy and spread it.